Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. Today we're going to be looking on the Liftmaster Internet Gateway. We're going to check out what came in the box. We're going to install the Internet Gateway. Let's get into it. Okay, so it comes with a network cable, power supply, as well as the Liftmaster Internet Gateway. On the right side it has where you'd plug the power as well as the network cable, and it also has a reset area. It has a manual as well. Let's get it installed. So we're gonna place our Liftmaster right beside our router. We are going to plug in the power. We're going to connect the network cable to the Liftmaster, and then we're going to connect the other end to the router. Notice the blue light represents power, and the green light, when it is blinking, it's attempting to connect. When it is solid, it is connected. Like so. Perfect. Alright, let's install the mobile app. So we're going to go to the App Store, search for MyQ. I'm going to click install. It's going to take a little while, so let me fast forward it. I'm going to click open. Alright, continue. Get started. Sign in because I already have an account. I'm now going to select the device that I'm installing, enter the serial number from the back of the device, click next, select MyQ garage door opener, click OK and select next, and then go to the garage door opener and I press the yellow button. I now click next. The app is now going to detect the device. We click next and that's it. It's now installed. Let's try it out. So you tap the icon. Notice I attempt to tap it multiple times to see if it would stop the process. You're not able to do so. You have to wait for it to go up, and then you're able to click it to go back down. The light blinks and it emits a sound for about a couple seconds, and then the garage door will start to descend. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Smash that like button and leave a comment if you found that this video was useful. Subscribe for more content like this in the future. Peace.